work, hard work. Hard work, hard work.
Alright, YouTubeverse, your boy TIM, aka Tim Diggity. Out here in Virginia Beach, down here at the strip. Of course, I got my GoPro 360, but I didn't bring the right little device to put it on the front of the bike itself. Cause see, I got the bike. I brought the bike with me this time. The bike with me instead of the scooter, because they got weird scooter laws out here, and I wasn't sure what the laws were. So this is gonna be on the chest mount. So we'll see how it works out. All right, stand by. Put that camera, oh, it ain't that phone up there. Hey, do they want me to have a helmet on? Thanks. Alright, so here we go, y'all. Let me make sure this is recording, is it? Yep. Let's make sure we don't get run over. Because first experience driving down here, man. These people are maniacs. I thought Maryland was bad. I thought Maryland was bad. Alright, it's a little chilly out, so we ain't gonna be out here too long. I wish I'd have had the 360 camera mount. I got the camera, I just don't have the mount. So
Is that a moped?
this? Mm-hmm. No, it's an electric bike.
Oh.
Alright, so we down here. I don't know what's going on down here. Here's the beach. I've been wanting to come to the beach. Now I brought y'all with me to the beach. I could have stayed in one of these hotels as well. I should have did that. I don't know what I was tripping. I was tripping. You know, could have done that. I've been chilling. Like I said, it's a little chilly out here, so yeah. Look at the beach, though. I'm not getting sand in my sneaks, so that ain't gonna work out. You know, take it on. Well, hopefully I don't fall. I fell last time. John Waring, whoever that is. That's that guy. There we go, y'all. Bye beach. The actual beach. A little chilly out. Put that on 3 there. I'm just gonna ride. I could have been in the Holiday Inn right down here. Instead of having to drive 9 miles, I could have just came out the back. Dumb. Oh, I thought you had to. Okay, there I go trying to follow the rules again. I didn't think you could be on the boardwalk. But you had to just be back on this thing.
Thank you.
I wish I had my 360 camera. If it's not raining tomorrow, I might try it. It's probably something nice when it's warm out. You know, people probably everywhere. I just realized I ain't put no glasses on. Man, I got me chopped up. shoot, what street did I park on? I could have brought my radio. He got the whole thing down. Look at that. Could have had my rollerblade skates or whatever. I don't know how far down this goes. I just know how far down I'm not going, which is too far. Did that come out right? Too far. Too far is too far, right? No skateboards. I'm getting insane. Look at the people down here. They take advantage of the beach, dog. Yeah, they do. When we collide, collide. Okay, I got it. I guess. No? It's like, okay. Military book right there. I don't know if you can see them, but them F-18 Hornets. I know you gotta hear that jet noise. It's not like the smell of napalm in the morning. Aha, what movie was that? Anybody know? Take it easy. Yeah. When we collide, collide. Yo, how far do y'all think this go? Like, I'm real curious to know, what kind of construction do you do on the beach? Like, look at the kids down there playing on the pipes. Where their parents at? Like, what is going on? I just realized I don't have a helmet on. I ain't got nothing on. The only thing I got on is a light jacket. Trying to look cool, you know what I mean? And it's cold, so I ain't looking cool. I gotta say, it stinks. It really stinks. It smells. I think if you keep going that way, yo, that is like, what's his name? The Carolinas. Well, let's try something dangerous. Let's try something dangerous. Dangerous. To me, at least. Alright, hold up. Alright, y'all, so here we are. I'm here. I'm out here. There's the beach. The beach. Let y'all get a glimpse of the playground. It's in the beach. I used to be stationed out here Never really came down here though. I don't get sand in my sneakers. I want to know what them big gigantic pipes are for on the beach. I mean on the beach, like it's the sand under this. Oh, you see they got one running here. You see it? I don't know. Anybody got any idea what that is? I don't know. All right, let's keep taking a look here. Too bad I can't ride on the actual boardwalk itself, because then you can get a better view of the water. I want to say that down there is I thought I could zoom in. Wrong camera. But down there is the North Carolina. Yeah. All right, hold on. All right, let's get back to it. Let me get back on the bike path. I don't want no smoke out here in VB. Wild Beach. I want the County Mountie coming at me. There's some nice stuff out here, though. Yeah, I'm off. I guess I'm not. I'm the worst. I'm supposed to be pedaling. I'm over here riding the lightning, so to say. Oh well, who bears? Let's see how far I go down the other way, if possible. I gotta do some work on this joint. Stuff rubbing and making noise. It's really getting on my nerves. Alright, I want to go over here and see what the peoples are doing. Ah, look. I'll come over here to the construction. Look at this. I can drive one of those. Y'all know that, right? Let me get a... I know I can drive those, right? I'm just trying to figure out what kind of construction you do on the beach and the sand. This might help me out. Let me get back at it. Can't sit still. Make sure it's recording. It's recording. It's got the light on. I'm gonna try something dangerous. Let me go down here and see if I can find the hotel I would have been staying in. I could have been in one of these looking off the balcony at the water. Oh, dummy. Oh, dummy. That's who I am. Oh, dummy. That's all right. I'm closer to where my training is. It's a trade-off. Doubletree Hilton. Okay, KK. I don't eat seafood, so you know, we need to trip off of that kind of stuff. No, it was the Holiday Inn. That's what it would have been. I didn't think it gave you free parking. That's why I didn't mess with it. You know, I need my. I don't want to pay no $12.50 a day. I need my money. But when something's making a noise, and it's annoying me. But it's gonna have to. Gonna just have to. There we go, get out in the sun. Yo, what is this noise? Alright, no, I ain't messing with it. I'm not messing with it. I mess with it, I'm gonna mess something up. So we're gonna leave it alone. I done forgot what street I parked on, y'all. Shucks. I know it was past this. Oh no, it wasn't this. That spot that I went and rode around. Jeez. When we collide. Ah, sheesh. Something squeaking. I really got to do some work to this. I was at the, I don't know. Whatever. I ain't gonna carry it. I ain't gonna get mad about it. I didn't even bring the selfie stick to pull a 360 out and get some pics. How about that? How about that? Did a fishing pier. Oh shoot. I didn't know about that. That's squeaking. I know y'all hear it. I know y'all hear it, because I hear it. Alright, there it is. I'm gonna check this out real quick. We're back. I don't know. Can't figure it out. I gotta remember what street I parked on. Alright, maybe I fixed it. I didn't, you hear it? Alright, so this is the DQ that I went and turned around the circle over there. Let's figure out what street we parked on. I'm gonna have to go out to the street. It's in the parking lot. Yo, do you not hear that squeaking? So it's Virginia Beach, y'all. Down on the beach, Shore Drive. I don't know what I'm on. Beach Lane, call it that. That'll work. I like it. Okay, I parked that way because that lady was sitting there. So I gotta remember that. That was next to Coastal Hotel. Remember that, y'all. In case I get lost, y'all can come find me. Yeah, little lady tiptoeing. Something wrong with one of her feet. Oh, he got a radio out here chilling. Up, making the jets. Let's get it. Jets again. I know y'all hear them. That's America right there, y'all. And if you're not from America, I'm sorry, but that's America. I could figure out what was wrong with the squeakiness.
Excuse me, have you seen a black bag on the ground?
No.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Hey, good luck finding that. She looked panicked. Oops. I guess that's one of those oops moments. You sat it down or something? Oh, let's go over and check this part out. Let's see what this is about. We'll pull right here. No, I'm not. I'm gonna put the stand down right true. America. Intruder, y'all. It's nice. There it is up there. I don't know if y'all see it. Look like the F-18 Super Hornet. There's partner. The partner. This is dedicated to the F-14 Tomcat. I'm gonna push the bike around. You know, I don't want nobody trying to carry me by rolling out with it. Chester Nimitz, Doolittle. Look at that. This wasn't here when I was stationed out here, y'all. But I mean, I was stationed out here in, I left in, I think, 2007, 2009, I think, 2009. Yeah, it's another tribute to America. Again, sorry, y'all, if you're not from America. Sorry about that. But America. Yeah, this is nice. Got a little tribute to the women. Naval Aviation. All right, this must all be, oh, look at that. This must be the aviation spot. I mean, but they got the ships though. Yeah. On the courage commitment. Who y'all Navy? Courtyard. I could have stayed there, but they wanted $12.50 at night, the day to park. Negative. Wasn't gonna happen. Not on my watch. I parked down one of these streets. All right, let me get back to the boardwalk. They come again. America. Ouch, I keep bumping into the daggone pedal. Like, who does that? Me? Oh, he over there making a right, banking to the right. That would have been nice, but even if I go to the Naval Air Station Oceana, oh shoot, I'm falling. Even if I go to Oceana, I can't go on base and film. So, all right, workout day, workout day.
Yeah, I know, right?
Okay. The squeak though, y'all. I know y'all hear it. It really drives me crazy, y'all. Go down here and see what's at the end of the rainbow. When we collide. I don't know where the Hilton is. Wherever it is, that's where I could have stayed. I know I said that. I know. Take it easy, y'all. Take it easy. Take it easy. Okay? People probably like, yo, he talking to himself. Wait a minute, y'all. Okay. Ice cream smoothies. It's cold AF out here. Look, he out there and say no skateboards. No skateboards. I'm about to be the border police. I'm gonna be the boardwalk. I mean the boardwalk popo. Yo, y'all hear that noise? I'm not sure where it's coming from. I'm cheating. Look, they flying their kites. Look, he out there with the cigar. Oh! No, it was a holiday in Hampton. About to say, I could have been right there and they looking nice. But that's the Hampton Inn. Looking for the holiday. These people, they ride drunk, about to run me off the road. Hilton. Sheridan. Let me see if we're still recording. We are. Trying to find the end of the doorway. Yeah, the fire pit and stuff. Yep. They take advantage. This must be the workout station. Got the rope pull, the monkey bars. I'll walk over to that, or ride over to that. This is the fitness park. Whoa. The fitness park. Okay. Let's see what what are the rules here. Never permitted on the beach, boardwalk, bike path, skateboard. So I'm gonna go down there and tell that little kid, bring him over here and make him read it. The workout park. I'm not going down there, because then I get my feet sandy. Somebody working everywhere. I tell you, Virginia. Wait a minute. Is my pedal coming off, dog? Yo. My pedal's not on there right. Yo, we about to call it a day. I'm about to take an L. I was wondering why I was feeling weird. Pedal not lined up. Yo. We just out here out of control. Wait, I gotta fix this, y'all. I gotta check on this real quick. Right in the sun, that's perfect. I'll be back. So I don't know if y'all can see that. See how the pedal's leaning? Look at that. See how the pedal's leaning there? It's on the angle. You can even see some of the threads, missed threads, but I don't have, look, my hands are dirty. What the blood clot? Of course I don't have no tools. But it is what it is. You know, I'm not gonna do it about today. So keep it moving. But now it feels weird. Like it's ready to break off. I'm pretty sure they got a bike shop out there. Oh man, I was looking for my toolkit. That's on the scooter. Urgh. I think we're at the end. I think we're at the end of the boardwalk finally. Looks like it. I wonder if you can ride on the regular sidewalk street. They got a dredge out there. I think it's Bering Sea Gold or something. Look. I'm about to go to the regular street. See if we can ride. Find out in a minute. I'm gonna look for a bike shop. So somebody got a wrench or something that can fix my pedal. Oh, I know where we are. Yeah. This is right. Yup. 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 Cross. I'm gonna have to electric it out till I can find a bike shop. Pretty sure they got one somewhere, or two, or 10. Maybe I'll see the Holiday Inn. It's probably back there where it wouldn't have been worth the juice and the squeeze or whatever. I don't know. I gotta find a bike place. Truck. Where I park. Paid $10 to park for 1 hour. There's my truck. There's my truck. We're back. We're back. What up, YouTube? First, as usual, I forgot to do an outro. So, like I said, let's recap that video. I'm down in VA in Virginia Beach. Brought my bicycle. All right, so evidently I done broke the pedal on the left side. And, you know, I don't have any tools, which I learned something now. I have a tool kit set up for the scooter. Now when I get back, I got to do one for the bike. So, all right, so I forgot to bring the little bottom mount to mount the camera to the actual mount on the bike itself. So I couldn't do the 360. I had the chest camera going on today. I don't know what that's gonna look like. We'll see. But depending on the weather tomorrow, I might get back out there again. You know, might try it again. Again, we'll see. All right, so Tim Diggity out here in Vi Beach. You know, this is a little hotel room. You know, a little courtyard inn. No, country suite, country inn and suite, something like that. Country inn and suite, whatever the case is. Like if you like, subscribe if you like, comment if you like. Peace.